me ma munyina akwa bio ya senhia enne de recipe we de easy to say 1 2 3 obia betumi aye okata wani a obetumi aye na de edikan no me da me subscribers for nyina sinyame nhira mo sene emukura channel mu mandi so ankasa niyema na nka me cheche obi akasa me da wase nti we de me fast word amase ankasa onso a won subscribe to this channel na bia na the first time I share me but more than subscribe never notification bell net so say bia me upload video bia on sabeka na me de me kan che wan say minim say aha wa be eye one stop ye ni aduane ni edi nkomo na ne o makeka ho ba ohu na che say kan enti ne my first recipe of wet doughnut and ye beka na obeka se Bofrot and na me de blowy na de edi kan no mo 4 recipes ewo me wet doughnut no enti de edi kan me de buy ye obi are allergic to egg bia which a people request for Bofrot obu anso asime ma me any inkosia enti we dey store me we ma me betimi edi de bia uja me comment. I really appreciate that. Enti no we without egg me what the egg wo any other ones mo ni je ho ani nyina so ma film mo ma mi ho a metumi publish this one. Enti de me wa ha say plain flour and no 300 grams and na we say a quarter teaspoon of salt one kitu egg and na we 100 grams of sugar. Enti sugar no control ni sanya wo be abanye sweet sa enti de open na we fresh nutmeg if you use whole one in 19 no 1 teaspoon nutmeg with the guma. And today me wa hands here me mix spice. One say me me bread you know hot cross buns me use me be use kitty bi and am dey aka nutmeg no. E ma de do need mix spice na. Wait me use cinnamon kitu bi na complement na very nice. And to me also am wa ha ni 250 milliliters. Me dish microwave no. Me warm on for 50 seconds. Inti bia wo a wo temperature me use no. Also in your cold now share microwave for 50 seconds. I look warm and come. Let us say near 21 minutes swama 300 plain flour, 100 grams sugar and water. Into the me na ni so de salt no. Ebedi kan egu bowl ni so na me yeast nsu ni 7 grams. Dry fast yeast ni bia so anu nsu ni. What the yeast ye ade bia ye say brodo ni ade but more than say unfan chain no encounter directly until we didn't chain go ase and I use in the wasia na the flour no and na the salt na ba and san wa kan no into the me and say me sugar no enso egum na afi me flour no egum na afi me mix spice na the me fe nyina ni endru quarter teaspoon kwa ya kitu na de gusu se de mi na ni se me se fini nyina kama ahemyam we de kope koko bikura ni mfansi so so I'm a safe in na so ntina bomode ase de bia be so ni we sam so enze se de me an se me yeast ni so ni so na fe na me hwie gu so na fe waka ni nyina afra na fe wa botokro na fe unsio no 250 milliliters no na wa hwie gu na wa kani nyina no kama ento ansa makani nenu mo enti pomodian so obeka afra benunuma be 5 minutes you ahun mo activate yeast na wo mu so this is wa na tune kama so anti pomodian so consistency ni be say so am say so me make sure nyina na e kama maybe we need to on my fat plenty me actually. And they say I make sure no be aye you here the besi wo ama netu nti no an say for day a year kataso. Plenty of and so Maria no say simple to me just one to net whether near hot or me ha wow one no any hot no so be in 250 and no do not just why they would be ashamed na am to am me just one to me and just no come baby and to say I send you Bofrot here I come on to me secret for me Bofrot there send me your bread na auntie the first rising in the me the spatula ya the air canum ama san akofom ansa na masama netu ansa na mache e ma ne ye kama enti dey say rise first na opesa wo chia eno so be kama ba de me hu ni say we ya ne double rising na e very very nice and very light as well to know I said the tirubi na fe why den weja na ma rise bio na fe ai dey achi na ewi o 8 awa enti say wa say ne Bofrot asan ye etu bio kama na me de mango anso asiso wanwa ne ma no nya din bebre say be be hye so na adonsa abonsu na fe say na me ye no we ye ni say ya na say what ya to we de tum na epejape na kire se enu we betumi nso aye ni say we don say am no aye ni say so what ya to say what ya to ya na me peminsa no se ne otitu mo e kama bia no ai titia kum kama e Bofrot na akono se na ni hwam nutmeg no chai or down the grill so if you have no energy on done if you ubomodia kanishi shall send your Bofrot yai Coco running with you, Opera you running with you, rice water running with you. Hey, Cotton am this yam. Yeah, it was no one say, yeah, no, shall me moon have been come. I said the way you me be no much be a can near tears. Send your Bofrot yaye. Hey, Kokora ne wife na kono. Hwe. Aya kono, mami bubi nchiraw. Wa hwe. Send your Bofrot yaye. Aya very light. Na nishi. What do I do? A simple recipe to where they try 300 you know. Me no where they me marry me mechanic. Me no pen marry wo where they cameraman into no. Ni nyina ni so a simple recipe. Into pedo do anu adia. Nti ene e futu amidi jam ye ya worry where they come worry for say ya wasi e support each other ebia na yiri ni maduane no a ebia okunsu ni bibi ya so a ana se baby I find weakness bia each other mo support each other nya so opotina wadamfo bi fie no akotwa oku pasa na wakotwa yire pasa ni nyina mmoa na ese ye den ye woro ye ho so anya baby ya na ye woro ye ho nti se nya me so akan ya bo se no number ya momodi ase ye be katakata ye na ye de koyi original kwa na be ka we a kire e wo dokwa so nti so subscribe to this channel bo modi an subscribe na for notification bell and so say be ya di so once I love you. God bless.